Hello friends, welcome to Anu's Food Cart. Today I am here with a very special soup, that is mixed vegetable egg drop soup. Without any further delay, let us quickly jump into the recipe. I have taken a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, finely chopped spring onion bulb 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons each of finely chopped sweet corn and carrots, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cabbage, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped French beans, 2 tablespoons of spring onion greens finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 2 teaspoons of cooking oil, salt to taste, a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, a tablespoon of corn flour, half an egg, 2 cups of water and 2 teaspoons of broth powder. Take broth powder into a cup and add 1/4 cup of water to it. Mix well to form a lump-free mixture. Now add 1.5 cups of water to it and mix well. Our vegetable stock is now ready. I have prepared vegetable stock by mixing broth powder into plain water, but for all those who don't want to use broth powder or who don't have broth powder can definitely go for homemade vegetable stock. It is very simple to make vegetable stock at home. You just have to take 500 ml of water, to which you will add 1/4 cup of roughly chopped onions, 1/4 cup of roughly chopped carrots, a few celery stalks if you have, else you can just skip that step, and also add 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, a few peppercorns, some salt, and simmer it for around 15 to 20 minutes. Then strain the mixture and you will be left with vegetable stock. Please do not use plain water to make soups because it gives a bland taste, so always use vegetable stock or chicken stock for making soups. If you want me to post a video on vegetable stock or chicken stock, please do let me know through the comment section below and I'll come up with the same. Add the remaining 1/4 cup of water to the cornstarch and mix well. This is called as slurry, which thickens the soup. Beat the egg well and keep it aside. Heat a saucepan on medium flame and add oil to it. Once the oil is hot, add finely chopped garlic and saute for about 10 seconds. Now add the spring onion bulbs and saute until the garlic turns golden in color. Now add all the vegetables and mix well. Leave it for a minute before you add the vegetable stock which we had prepared. Mix well. All my non-vegetarian friends can add boiled chicken breast to this recipe and it will turn into chicken egg drop soup. Now add dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, white vinegar and mix well. You can also add red chili sauce if you want to, but I haven't added it because I love to spice up this soup with black pepper powder. Many of you must be thinking oyster sauce is made up of oysters, right? But it is not. It is made up of oyster mushrooms, which means it is purely vegetarian. So please do not skip this sauce in this recipe because it gives a nice flavor to our soup. Oyster sauce is available in almost all the supermarkets, but I have also provided the link below in the description box so that you can directly go and buy the product. Mix everything well and check the salt. Let the soup come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, add black pepper powder and mix well. Boil it for another 3 to 5 minutes so that all the flavors are well combined. Be very careful while adding salt to the soup because all the sauces and the vegetable stock has salt in it. I did not add any extra salt to my soup. Now add the cornstarch slurry little by little while stirring the soup continuously, because if we don't stir the soup continuously, the cornstarch might just settle down at the bottom of the saucepan, which we don't want. Do not add all the cornflour slurry which we had prepared. Just add enough to get the desired consistency. Can you see the soup has thickened? And this is how thick I like my soup to be. Let it boil for another 2 minutes. Now add the egg in a thin stream while stirring the soup continuously so that the egg is formed into threads. All my vegetarian friends can skip this step and serve it as mixed vegetable soup. Top it off with some spring onion greens, mix well and turn off the flame. Serve it hot. So that was it. I hope you all will try out this recipe at home and let me know through the comment section below how it turned out for you. I have provided the links to buy oyster sauce and broth powder below in the description box, so do check it out. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Catch you guys with another yummy recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Day, right? What an interesting day. I have prepared oyster sauce and found I did not. Oh, I have checked and found what? Soup.